Ethan's sleeping very peacefully now. Finally got used to having his probe in. He's calmed down. We're just praying that he stays this way. He's got a long night ahead of him. 24 hours at least for this probe. 24 hours on the Holter heart monitor he's wearing permanently on the other cardiac and respiratory monitor. Just so glad we got him to sleep. As you can see, the probe goes down his little nose, down the back of his throat, all the way to his little stomach, so that they can measure acid and acid content, if he has any reflux. So it kind of feels like he's bringing up something in his throat every 5 minutes when he's awake, because he gags and coughs and tries to figure out what's in his throat. So eventually he'll get used to it, hopefully, and we won't have any episodes over the night of him trying to take it out. He's been such a good, strong little boy. I don't know how many adults could actually do what he does. He's a little angel from God with God's strength getting us all through this. We know for a fact that it's our faith that's gotten us through every bit of this. We know that it's the people praying for us, and we appreciate it. We'll post more videos throughout the day and night on Ethan's progress. Once again, thank you everybody for your prayers. We love everybody. Thank you very much.